Welcome to Jaded Health, where we empower you to make everyday health choices. And we alert you to the deceptive marketing tactics used by the food, drug, and weight loss industries who put their profits over your own health.
And it's not just when I say that I've gone raw, people are like, carrots and celery sticks. No, it's a lot more than that. It's putting together the whole meal to the point where you're getting the most protein and it's dense, and the highest concentration of all that you need.
And I think number one is inactivity. We sit on this thing too much. We sit in front of the TV too much. And so inactivity, people think they don't have time. They think they've got to go join a gym or something like that. When I work out at home and, walking is free.
So what I'm saying to people my age, you need to seek out somebody who has knowledge of the aging body, is more empathetic with their needs, and cares. A lot
Exactly.
of people don't care. Unfortunately, many of them don't deal with the issues that people our age have.
Our bodies have developed to eat food, not pills, right? That said, there are a few nutrients that turn out to be beneficial. Not most of the supplements out there. Vitamin E is a good example. Vitamin E in food is great. People with high vitamin E levels are healthier. People who take vitamin E supplements are more likely to get cancer.
It's just, I really feel that humanity at large, we were taught, and a lot of people have said this, and this is my version of it, is we were taught to be human doings instead of human beings, and being connected to our inner self, being connected to who we truly are.
I talked to the doctor and she basically said, the reason you can't breathe is because you have COVID and all we can do is intubate you once you get a little worse. And I said, well, no, I'm not going to go that route. I'm actually under another doctor's care. He just wanted me to get a chest x-ray and prescription while I'm here for racemic epinephrine. So the doctor laughed at me. Yeah, no, we're not going to give you a prescription for that. That's for kids with croup. And I said, exactly. She refused to give me the medication. I got my x-ray, asked for the CD, and I said, have a good night, I'm leaving.
This is Jaded Health. Look forward to our next episode, and thank you for joining us.